Woo! Man, it's been a rough ride the last several weeks. But to God be the glory, we are back. And if you don't know what I mean, you've probably been on the rock or you just been busy. But my channel was hacked. My YouTube channel was hacked. And I'll walk you guys down through the specifics of that and what happened. And really, I don't know what happened, but just, I wanted to do a video, just kind of follow up with you, the subscribers, and just kind of let y'all know where I'm at, what's going on. And I did a video probably about a week or so ago on my other channel that I started. If you're not following that channel, please go subscribe to Jermaine Morgan Music Ministries. All right, so it says Jermaine Morgan Music Ministries. Go subscribe to that channel. On that channel, we will do all of the stuff where we do, like, the musicians' Bible studies, and really deal not only just Bible studies, but deal with more of the making of musicians on the Christian side of what we are doing. All of it, to me, it's all inclusive, but this channel, we want to focus more on the bass lessons and the bass content. But that particular channel, we will deal more with music ministry as a whole. Like I said, it's not going to only just be Bible studies, which that shouldn't be a problem if you're a Christian talking about the Bible. But anyway, nonetheless, I digress from all that. Go follow that channel if you're not following that one already. I'll try to drop it in the comments or in the description where you can see where to go and follow that channel, Jermaine Morgan Music Ministries. Anyway, so before I get too far in this video, I promised God that I would do this when I got this channel back. So there's a verse in Chronicles that says, First Chronicles 16, verse 8 says, "Give thanks to the Lord and proclaim his greatness. Let the whole world know what he has done." This is really what this video about. Just gratitude to God, just for, man, let me get this channel back. And to some of y'all, I know that's small, but to me, it's huge and also small at the same time, because ultimately, God is the source. However, I did put a lot of years into building this channel, putting a lot of content out for you guys with all of the bass lessons from 2009 to present day, and just backing tracks and music videos, the whole nine. All of that was gone. I mean, I woke up, let me give y'all a quick rundown. I woke up, like it was April the 15th. That's what it was. I woke up April the 15th, and I noticed, I tried to log in because normally I get up and I play like meditational music to pray to early in the morning. I do an hour. Let me start out to the musicians. I do an hour of prayer in the morning. For me, I pray in the spirit. And that means praying in tongues. Whole nother conversation, but I do an hour of prayer each morning. So I got up to turn on my music to pray on YouTube. I normally, use some meditational music or worship instrumentals, for lack of better words. And I tried to get on YouTube, couldn't get on YouTube. I'm like, yo, that's crazy. And it told me I had to sign in. I tried to sign in, couldn't sign in. So I go to my other email account, not my Gmail. I go to my Yahoo, and I get these notifications where somebody has logged into my account. Somebody's changed my password. They changed my backup. All of the two-factor authentication, however you say it. Somebody changed all of that information. So I'm tripping. Like, this is like 6 o'clock in the morning, and I'm sitting here like, yo, wait, what's going on? And sure enough, I try to get on my Gmail. I'm locked out. I'm completely locked out of my Gmail. My whole Google account has been hijacked. Next thing I know, I look at my YouTube account, and the logo has changed on my YouTube account. It's like something crazy. I ain't gonna even say the name. Y'all saw it. But it's changed to something different. And I'm locked completely out. So I go through the whole nine trying to, figure out what to do. What are my next steps? Anyway, I ended up reaching out. If you ever go through this, one of the things I learned, reach out to YouTube. I think it's YouTube. Let me look. I want to help you just in case somebody else goes through this, because I know there was another bass content creator that went through this as well. I reached out on Twitter, or X now, to Team YouTube on Twitter. Sent them a message of what was going on. That's, to me, one of the quicker ways to get results, even though it took a minute for me. But, a lot of people have had this happen and they lost their channels completely, haven't recovered them. And they ask a good bit of information once you kind of get that ball rolling. And I was able to answer the questions rather, and it's a drawn out process. It was a drawn out process for me. But reach out if you have this happen to you, God forbid. Reach out to Team YouTube on X and do a lot of praying. You got to do a lot of praying too. So anyway, we're here. We're back. I don't want to spend a lot of time on that. That's water under the bridge. We're back on the channel, and I don't want to waste your day talking about this. But there are some exciting things. I do have more content coming that I'm going to be sharing really, really soon. And I just want to keep you guys in the know of, what's happening with me, what's happening in my world. Also, I've been talking about something. If you've been following this channel for a while, and some of you guys probably thought I was just blowing smoke because I done said it for over a year now. Y'all ain't seen nothing. So unofficially, I wanted to officially let y'all know that this is done. This book is done. I've talked about this book for a while now, that I was writing a new book. And this book is called From First Pick to Last Pick. Now, I might have to make a pre-order link for you guys that want to go ahead and get the book. For now, go ahead and, send me an email if you want this book. I do have author copies right now that I can sign copies and send to you guys. I haven't officially put it on my website or anything like that. But if you are interested in this book, it is available, but I haven't officially did a launch now because there's some other pieces that we're waiting on. But if you want to pre-order your copy, just shoot me an email, Jermaine@JermaineMorgan.net, if you want to pre-order your copy of this book. And it's power packed. If you guys read my last book, 10 Ways to Success, slightly different vibe for this book. This one goes a little bit more in depth, anywhere from beginner all the way up to pro level. And I'm going to talk to you about something. I read the quick overview of what this book is about. Develop a distinct musical identity that makes your playing instantly recognizable. Master the pocket and lock in with the drummer like a true professional. Shape a powerful bass tone that cuts through any mix. Navigate the fretboard with confidence and creativity. Craft craft memorable bass lines. Sorry about that. Got my little ring still on. Craft memorable bass lines. I lost my place here. Okay. That elevate every song. Improvise with freedom while maintaining groove, musicality, and so much more. I'm not going to read all this stuff, but so much more. And it's practical, and it's just not a whole bunch of, theoretical things in here, but I do cover some theory in the book. I do give you, I believe, some things that are going to help you to get exactly where you need to get with this particular book. And so again, if you're interested in it, be sure to shoot me an email. That way we can go ahead and get you ordered and set up and all that different stuff. I just wanted to, while I was doing this video, let you guys know that the book is finished. It's finally finished. And I wasn't just shucking and jiving talking about the book. Anyway, other news. It's been a lot, man. It's been a lot going on within the last several weeks. Less happy news. We lost a giant. As I'm representing today with my Warrior cap, just in case some of you guys don't know and you're not familiar with Warrior, I've been repping Warrior since about 2011. And one of the main, not one of, but the main creator of Warrior instruments, Warrior basses. And if you don't know, many of you guys ask me about this bass all the time. This is my first Warrior bass that was created by none other than Jermaine Lewis. And I had another 6-string bass that many of you guys were familiar with that's been following me over the years. But shout out to Jay. Unfortunately, he passed last Monday. It would have been April the 14th or the 15th. I can't remember the actual date, but a few weeks ago he passed. Man, and it was just, yeah, it was a hard blow to hear that information. And yeah, I don't have a lot to. There's a lot I could say, but I'm not gonna say a lot. Just, y'all keep the Lewis family in prayer. Keep Warrior Instruments in prayer. This has literally shaped my sound over the last almost 15 years. But yeah, so you've heard me talk a lot about Warrior basses, but basically in a nutshell, the owner of Warrior passed away, and I don't have any details So I can't answer any questions anybody may have about that. I just know he just, he passed away. And so my heart and my condolences go to his family. I do talk to his sons. Um, and I've been in contact with them. I've spoken with them several times since via text message about the passing of their father. And so y'all, those who do, man, keep that family in prayer. Many of you guys know I'm not the only one that's played warrior bases. A lot of you have played warrior bases over the years, as well as many artists that you may listen to that have played those bases. And that man, he put a lot. I will speak on the person. He was the type of person that any random day, almost every month at least, I'm getting a text with a scripture, if not 2 or 3 times a month. He and I, JD was a texter, so we talk via text all the time. We jumped on phone call every now and again, but most of the time, because he works on those bases all the time, he was always texting out scriptures, texting out encouraging words, that kind of thing. It wouldn't be nothing for JD to just hit you up randomly with a text message, like, a scripture, and it hit right on point, with whatever you got going on that day. So that was just the type of guy he was. He believed in family. He was really huge on that. He literally prayed over these bases, and he put his heart and soul into them. And that's one of the last things prior to me doing the demo on the messenger bass. He wanted to rework my bass last year, my Isabella bass, and he said, I just wanted to gift that to you. I want to love on you in that way, in terms of working on your bass and just basically bringing it back up to how it was when I got it. And they did that, man, and it was just a gift that he wanted to bless me with. I hadn't said anything to him. Like, hey man, I just want to be a blessing to you, and just give this bass, work on this bass and fix it for you and all that kind of stuff. So I'm forever grateful. If any of the family is watching this, I'm forever grateful for that, man. And anyway, I just wanted to say that and acknowledge that relationship with Warrior. And shout out to, every company that supported me over the years. You know who you are, Pig Hog, SIT Strings, Reunion Blues, so forth and so on, and Bartolini and so many other companies. It's easy to get in the riffraff of life, or just lifing, and you just forget. Because when I seen that JD had passed away, it completely caught me off guard, because I had texted him probably about a month ago, and I know he'd never responded to my text, and I was like, that was weird, but I didn't think much of it, because JD can be like that, but you just never know. And this video isn't about that, but it is a reminder for you guys. Don't take life for granted. Don't take people for granted. If you have an opportunity, even this channel, don't take it for granted, because it can be gone just like that. And all that work that I thought I had done over all these years, I thought was protected, it was gone just that quick. And so, it's just a reminder to you guys. I know I sound like I'm all over the place, but it's a lot. It's been a lot going on. I am just extremely grateful to God for where I am, for what God is doing. And I just wanted to update you guys again. There's more content coming. So if you haven't already followed the other channel, Jermaine Morgan Music Ministries, go ahead and follow that. And I will see you on the next video. I'm going to stop talking now, but I appreciate you guys for hanging in there. For those of you who prayed, for those of you who sent me messages, sent email messages, sent me DMs, whether it was on Instagram, Facebook, you know who you are. Thank you. I appreciate you. I'm out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.